across Philippine sports. Their significant contributions indeed go a long way to maintain that success we created that continues to inspire the entire nation. Now, one of the things that we are all looking forward to tuwing sasapit ang Batang Pinoy, syempre, ang medals. Ito na kasi yung saya at tagumpay na ramdam ng bawat atletang sumasabak sa Batang Pinoy. Kaya naman mapag gold, silver o bronze man yan, lahat yan inaabangan ng ating young athletes. Kaya naman, this year, let us all take a look at our victory medals. Medalya na iuuwi ng ating mga atleta. Bibigyan din natin ng parangal at pagkilala ang atletang hahakot ng pinakamaraming medalya. Imagine just winning one game, di ba talagang proud na tayo? Pero paano pa kaya kung ikaw yung atleta na may pinakamaraming medalya sa buong Batang Pinoy Games? Siyempre, you deserve to be honored. Let us all watch this. Sa medalya, we are saving the best for last. Ang inaabangan ng bawat rehiyon tuwing sasabak sa Batang Pinoy, ang pinakamalaking tanong, sino kaya ang mag-uuwi ng trophy as overall champion for this year's edition? Punoorin po natin ito. Muli para sa ating team na magkakampiyon, ito na po ang Batang Pinoy 2025 National Championship Trophy. Now for us to see the medals and trophy physically, here's the Electro Groovers to showcase them.